Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to show the battery percentage on the iPhone. It's quite simple to do. All you have to do is hit into the settings, and now we're in the settings. You want to come all the way down until you find battery. You want to tap into battery. Now at the very top of the battery options you'll see battery percentage. It's currently greyed out, as you can see here, but when you toggle it on by pressing it, you'll see the battery in the top right hand corner show a percentage. And if you ever want to turn the percentage off, you can toggle this button again and it'll turn that battery percentage off. So if you want to turn it on, toggle this button on. As you can see, the percentage is back in the battery. So that is how to show the battery percentage on the iPhone. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.